Revolution 410 gears. I hit the break-in period, kind of on the way out here, switching out my oil, changing out my oil. Did the rear one, it looks all right. So I'm working on the front. Unfortunately, I got to pull the skid plate off for it, but I've already got that done, so just got to drain it and finish it up, and then hit the trail. I got all the gear oil changed, cleaned up. We're about to hit the trail. First trail is rated a 4 out of 10, and then we'll see what happens after that. There's one that's rated a 7 that we may do. A lot of ZR2s have done that one, so.
We're hitting that trail.
Not really. Ready. You want to take the lead?
Yeah, that's good.
With a fresh set of gears and new gear oil, I was ready to test out what my new setup could do. I didn't want to jump straight into the difficult stuff, so we picked a trail that was somewhere in between. It did not disappoint.
That's where the Jeep's breakover angle's a little better. Archer angle's not too bad.
In years past, the background of the La Salle mountain range would be covered in snow this time of year. But this year tells a different story. The Rocky Mountains have had an unusually late start to winter, and it shows. For the evening, we watched the sunset over the mountains and canyons, grabbed some footage, and simply enjoyed the fair weather with the camaraderie of friends. As we headed back to town, we left the trail we came on and was able to open it up on a straight gravel road. But we weren't the only ones who enjoyed the vast expanse. We shared it with the pronghorn antelope, who also knew how to use speed in these open areas. By the time we got off the trail and resupplied on fuel and ice, we felt it was too late in the day with winter's short days to start a difficult trail. So we adventured to a short dead-end road in search of a campsite for the night. Once again, the views did not disappoint. I love the mountains of Colorado where I live, but the canyons of Utah have grown on me. They have their own distinct and unique beauty.
A lot of velocity.